Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open Chrome on your laptop. First, let's locate the Google Chrome icon. It's a distinctive colorful circle with red, yellow, green, and blue segments. You'll often find it conveniently placed on your desktop screen or pinned to your taskbar at the bottom. If not there, check your Start menu, typically under the G section for Google. Once you've spotted the Chrome icon, opening it is straightforward. If it's on your desktop, use your mouse to double-click the icon quickly. For those who have it pinned to their taskbar, a single left click will do the trick. Just make sure your mouse cursor is precisely over the icon before you click to ensure it registers correctly and launches the browser. If Chrome isn't on your desktop or taskbar, the Start menu is your next stop. Click the Start button, typically located in the bottom left corner. Then, scroll down the alphabetical list until you find Google Chrome and click it once. A quicker method is to use the search bar within the Start menu. Just type Chrome and press Enter to launch it. Sometimes, applications don't open as expected. If Chrome doesn't launch after trying these steps, a simple restart of your laptop can often resolve minor glitches. If the problem persists, you might consider reinstalling Chrome to fix any corrupted files. Also, keeping your operating system updated helps ensure all your programs, including Chrome, run smoothly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.